Lake bottom! Yeah! Lake bottom!
Don't even think about it, McGee.
Well, think about what? This? Or this? Or maybe a little bit of this?
Incoming!
Look at me! I'm Santa Claus!
You can run, but you can't hide.
Who's hiding? My turn!
Hey!
Get ready for the rinse cycle. Squirt wins.
Is it just me, or is that trunk acting kind of weird?
Should we open it?
What's that, Gretchen?
What's in it?
Just looks like old junk.
Water! I need water!
It's a mermaid!
What is a mermaid doing in a trunk?
Who cares? It's a mermaid.
I mean, a light mist is fine. My name's Esmeralda, the, really nice mermaid.
Why are you in a trunk?
Well, Rosebud and I are old friends, and I'm here to surprise her.
Were you hibernating?
Sure. Could you perchance take me to a lake?
Yes, we can.
Hey, guys, check this out.
Unhand that at once!
I apologize. That's, the gift I got for Rosebud. I just want to make sure it doesn't get lost.
We can totally, for sure, take you to see Rosebud.
I need time to prepare her surprise. I would hate to ruin it. And no one else can see me either, or they might tell her.
Okay, secret trip to the lake it is then. All clear. What's it like being a mermaid?
Great.
Are there mermen?
No.
Can I be a merman?
No.
When we get to the lake, do you want to play basketball?
Sure.
How do you go to the bathroom?
Ew, gross question.
Sorry. Mermaid tails are surprisingly slippery.
Hang on. I have an idea.
Has anyone seen my underwear?
Hurry up before he sees us. Water. I need water, you little darlings.
Wait here. I'll be right back. It's not long enough. Thanks, Billy.
Something's wrong with the water pressure.
Have you seen my underwear?
Water.
Ta-da! Have no fear. Squirt is here.
Give it to me, you fool. Okay.
Enough with the hose!
What do you mean that's not a porta potty? Morning, Slimy.
Morning, Slimy.
Yeah! Oh, Slimy, cut it out! Whoa, sweet hat.
Morning, campers! It's cleaning day! Whoa, this calls for super suction.
This face has never been cleaner.
Time for a little reverse action. Maybe too much power for a vacuum, but not for a kick-butt flyboard! Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Go Okay, who put this bad boy here?
Big Nimrod, you are officially trespassing in Sunny Smiles waters.
This is Lake Bottom's swim area.
Yeah, butt snitch, you don't own the whole lake.
This fence says I do. Got you for trespassing, damaging property, and for public lameness. But I'll go easy on you this time. Just stay on your side, and we won't have a problem.
Oh, this side or this side? How about this side? This?
Don't make me lock you up tried to eat my boat this morning.
Whoa!
Slimy doesn't eat junk food.
And then it stole my new hat!
Slimy, did you attack Officer Buttsquat's boat and steal his hat? Then you know what to do.
You've been warned. Next time I see that stinky leech, it's off to the slug pound. Slug pound!
Buttsquat asked for it. It's time to take our pranking to a whole new level, Slimy.
Maybe Slimy should stay away from Buttsquat for a couple of days.
Oh, relax. He's just having fun. The more fun Slimy has messing with Buttsquat, the better. So come on, Slimy. Let's get messing.
What are you supposed to be again?
Space Buglies!
Susie, what is this?
The audition of my life! Your dorky space show is about to get a gorgeous new character!
Boop, beep. Yeah, well, keep your lamoid Martians away from my star.
Buglies!
Cool your engines, Captain. Remember the mission.
The cave set from Bargainers of Bangor! Vats of Zarganthian death goop from the TV movie A Healthy Balanced Diet of Doom! And most awesome of all!
Oh, no! That's it! You're on your own!
Captain Starling Starling's chair! Captain Starling Starling!
You know that's plywood, right? Whoa, sweet bracelet.
The Arm Polo 19 isn't jewelry. Captain Starling uses it to deliver lunar justice.
Look! Buttsquat's on every poster!
I knew he was faking! Hey, Butt!
Eyes on the prize, McGee. You still want to meet your hero, right? Then try not to get us kicked out till you do.
It's him! He even coughs heroically.
Where's the snack table?
Zombie Stomping Princess has way cooler catchphrases.
Are you Captain Starling's dad?
I'm Captain Starling, except no substitutes, fanboy. Here, have my garbage.
Famous garbage is delicious.
Capograph? I mean, an AutoStar?
Premium ticket holders only, kid.
McGee! I knew your bug face looked familiar. Remember me, Cap? I played the third rock dwarf from the left in season 3.
I'll remember whatever you want, as long as you're paying, kid.
Any doofus knows rock dwarves are only in the Space Queen video game.
You're gonna wish this was a video game. Cabbage Boy attack!
I can't look!
Zombie Stomping Princess has way better fight scenes.
Happens at every convention.
Out of the way! Captain, meet your new co-star.
What have you done?
He did it!
You killed my career!
All systems go, Captain?
Captain Sterling Starling, calling Space Scream Command.
Why is he talking to his wallet?
This can't be good.
Or could it?
I awoke on the bridge to find my crew vanished. Cabbage Boy, praise Pluto, you're here, leaf ears.
And us. Hi. Beep, boop. Chance,
we will-
Butt Bean. Give back those burrito pops.
Bring it on! So good.
I was hoping you burped that.
What? Get away, Buzz Boy!
Getting away will be a bit of a stretch!
Let me bounce something off ya. Gotta work on my bouncy jokes.
Hey! How'd you mega losers get mega powers?
Wouldn't you like to know? That's a mega secret. Now hand over those burrito pops. What?
Looks like someone lost their lame-o powers.
Bye-bye, burritos.
Bye-bye, superpowers.
Relax, guys. All we need is a recharge.
Recharge, huh? Soon I'll have your pops and your powers, McFly face.
Gotcha, Bean Splat! A decoy!
The orb!
Drop the orb, butt breath!
Too late, McGullible! Behold the power of nitrogen, methane, and beans!
Burrito Pops combined with Mega Orb gas power!
Equals the ultimate gaseous supervillain, Dr. Thunderbutt!
Do you hear something?
Open your nostrils to the stink of ultimate power! Yo! Supervillain needs help here!
I knew that Buttsquat kid was a stinker, but oh boy.
What kind of maniac ignores caution tape?
Buttsquat kinda maybe saw us use the orb to get superpowers?
Yeah, sorry, but check out our awesome mega powers. You don't stand a chance against Thunderbutt with those piddly powers.
Not one-on-one.
But together we can as an ultra super mega team.
Mega inspiration! Presenting the bounceable blurt, the ultra-elastic stretchin', the high-flying McFlyboy!
Together we are the Superfantastic Mega Goods!
Mega Justice Super Punch! That does it! Time to roll! Gretchen! It's greater than me to try to eat me alive!
Whiniest patient ever.
I can roll, but I can't hide!
He thinks that there's a monster after him, but it's not.
What is he doing out of bed? Come on, campers, help me get him back to his cabin.
It's the club!
The club!
Is real!
That's what I've been trying to tell you!
I command you to stop. Pretty please?
Come on!
Save yourselves, campers.
Sorry, McGee, we gotta go! Huh? It's only after McGee? It's only after McGee! Heads up, Squirt!
Wow! Back to you, Gretch! Buddy in the middle!
Bus is or this racket! Club!
If you want our campers, you have to go through me.
Please don't take that literally.
Oh, hey, Armand!
In the mess hall! Hurry!
I'm stuck.
I got this. Corner kick!
Oh, no!
Barricade the doors while I rustle up some weapons. It's okay. We're safe in here.
More like trapped!
Nothing like chicken doo-doo soup to take down a cold. Hey, let go, you slimy slug!
Hey, Rosebud!
Oh, yummy! Chicken doo-doo soup.
Rosebud! Hi-ya! Prepare to get wiped, booger breath!
Nice snot, monster. Nice, disgusting snot.
Let my friends go, hideous glob of snot! It's me you really want! Come and get some, you big fat booger! Sorry to burst your bubble, Snotty!
That was the fourth grossest thing that ever happened to me.